Yo, y'all know who it is. Tony from Stick With Us Delivery Service. Yo, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, because the information I'm about to give y'all today is gonna be next level. You know, when I drop a YouTube video, it's well thought out. I'm always thinking about what can I give them? How can I help somebody get ahead in life? So that's what this video gonna be about. This video gonna be about how you can make $1,500 a week using your personal vehicle, your car, SUV, pickup truck. I get a lot of DMs about pickup trucks, SUVs, and cars. I've been doing a lot of videos about the cargo van because we've been crushing the cargo van industry. But I also need to make sure I never forget how I started. I started in a personal vehicle. So I got to make sure I can always put y'all up on game and how to make money with your personal vehicle. That way you can build up your fleet, build up your relationships with companies, and go get your cargo van or your box truck or whatever you're trying to do. So if you got a personal vehicle, I got a treat for y'all. Y'all don't even understand. I've been working on a deal that's about to be legendary. So you know, right, in my mentorship program, I give my mentees guaranteed contract. Guaranteed, like real talk. Guaranteed contracts for cargo vans. That way, like, so the way I look at it, right, if you invest in your money, then I need to over-deliver. That's how I look at everything in life. A lot of people don't over-deliver, but I like to over-deliver. That's why I give my mentees my personal phone number. You always can hit me up at any time, me or my team. Yo, when I tell y'all God is amazing, y'all don't even understand what I just pulled off. I'm so excited to do this video because I got so much to tell y'all. So, I've been hiring more assistants for my company. So I did a post the other day. Why two of my biggest earners, one of my mentees do over $400,000 a year. Shout out to my mentee. Another one is on pace to do about $1.3 million for the year in the cargo van industry. He got 12 cargo vans and 2 box trucks. He going crazy. Why both of them hit me up and say, bro, whatever you need help with, we here for you, bro. So not only am I going to mentor you, I'm going to have some of my top earners even help do the mentoring with me, plus my assistants. So now we're going to be able to bring on so many more new people and teach them this business so you all can get up and running and make a crazy amount of money. Like, y'all don't understand how epic this is for me. But enough of that. I'm doing this video for that person with a car that's trying to make it. Right now, I've been in talks for 3 weeks with 2 major companies. The reason I talked about the cargo van guaranteed contract is because I've never been able, somewhat, but not fully guarantee a contract for a personal vehicle. And in the last 3 weeks, I've been working on this. When I say for me and for whoever watching this is a monumental moment because I'm finally about to be able to give each and every person in America, long as we got availability in that city or state, I'm going to be able to give you a guaranteed medical carrier contract. Guaranteed. On the pharmaceutical side, where you deliver medication, supplies and stuff like that. Then I got the radio pharmaceutical side, where you got to get the hazmat training. You get to deliver, the PET scan. You get to deliver the oxygen tanks. You get to deliver any, radio pharmaceutical type of medication for cancer patients, for old timers. Like this is mind blowing what I just pulled off. Right now, if anybody, I'm telling you, anybody that's watching this, I want you to do this for me, right? I'm about to show y'all some love. If you are in Lebanon, New Hampshire, and you want to be a medical carrier. If you know somebody that's in Lebanon, New Hampshire, I'm finna show you how real this is, the deal I just closed, right? If you're in Lebanon, New Hampshire, right, I got a guaranteed contract for you. And we got $5,000 signing bonus, because this is an urgent matter. A $5,000 signing bonus for a personal vehicle to become a medical carrier. I want you to do that. I'm going to give you my phone number on this YouTube video. I want you to text medical carrier in Lebanon, New Hampshire to 772-362-1777. Text me. Me or my assistant will get it. Long as you meet the criteria, I'm going to send you over the application. I want you to fill it out. We're going to give you, I think you got to be there 30 days, 60 days, something like that. But you will get all the details. But it comes with a $5,000 signing bonus. Man, I've been in this game almost 7 years, y'all. I've been waiting on a moment where I can truly, truly help people get local contracts with their personal vehicle. Now, I got all the resources in the world for you to get local contracts for your personal vehicle. But when I can add that guarantee, when I can say I can guarantee you a local contract, yo, that's different. That's different, yo. That's different, yo. That means my hard work is truly paying off, man. My hard work is truly paying off, man. If you got a personal vehicle right now in the United States, man, if you got a personal vehicle, I'm going to show you step by step on how to get up and running. Because not only should you be using any apps that's available for you, go to the app store, type in gig apps, use them all. You need to be going on Craigslist. Craigslist is a huge sleeper. But when you go on there, I'm going to walk you through the process. This is what you got to do. You got to type in jobs, got to click job. Then you got to click transport. Then you got to click on the description, courier service, delivery driver, medical carrier. That's the kind of stuff you got to type in your description. I'm finna give y'all a gem I ain't never gave y'all. I'm about to give y'all a gem I ain't never gave y'all. If you go to Instagram, hold on, I don't like how the light looking. I love the sunroof, but let me close it a little bit because I need to make sure the quality of this video is on point. But check this out, right? If you go to Instagram and go to the search column, type in medical carrier companies, delivery driver companies, owner operators, like just type it in the search. Actually, companies are starting to create Instagram accounts because they need drivers. It's way more work out here than it is drivers. I tell my cargo van owner operators this all the time. I say, yo, it's way more work than it is drivers. I'm telling you, it's more freight than it is drivers. Why you think they even coming up with some of these like electrical semi trucks to do deliveries? Because it ain't enough drivers. It's just not. It's not enough drivers. I'm telling y'all, it's so much freight that got to be moved at a timely manner, and there's not enough drivers to deliver this freight throughout the whole United States. I tell people this all the time. Another thing I want you to do if you got a personal vehicle, there's something else I want you to do. I want you to start using your search engines, but you got to know how to use a search engine, because everybody got pharmacies, hospitals, residential areas, industrial warehouses, every place. You got flower shops. Y'all don't understand all the stuff that you can deliver in a personal vehicle. You got paint companies, you got tire companies. Every city has this. It's just about finding it. That's the problem. And then once you find it, what else are you going to do? Okay, you're going to fill out the application online. That's one way. Okay, you're going to find an email and send them an email of your resume and everything that you have and what kind of company you have and the services that you provide. Yes, you can call them and see what kind of availability they have. Ask to speak to the HR department. Yes, it's nothing to get an address on a website of a company and pull up to the company with your uniform on and your business card and telling them what you do and presenting yourself. I got a mentee right now. out of Texas named Cody. He went to a company twice a week for a whole month. And on the last day he went of the month, they said, you know what? You so persistent, we're going to give you a trial run. He landed that contract local. Now he makes $180,000 a year. $180,000 a year with a local contract. This is about persistence, you all. This is about putting in the work, you all. This is about standing on business, man. You got to really want this. You got to eat, sleep in this business. You got to wake up and this all you want. You don't want nothing else, because this is what's going to change your life. This is what's going to turn your situation around. This was going to have you stop stressing out and worrying about bills and worrying about what's coming up next, worrying about how I'm going to get the money to pay this and how I'm going to get the money to pay that. When you create a cash flowing asset, it changes your life. Let's say you don't have no money right now. You got the bare minimum and you got bad credit. You're back against the wall. Nothing is going in your favor. My guy Terry has gotten people that has joined our program, people that's been in our free webinars, people that's been in our master classes. I only been doing this like a year and a half with Terry. And they done did almost $15 million in funding for anybody who been in the room with us. $15 million in funding for anybody who's been in the room with us. Now, it's going to say description where it says more. In the description, I'm going to put Terry information of where you can sign up for his credit program, because what he is doing is next level, man. And that's why I partnered up with him, because he a man of God. He walked by faith, not by man. And he loved the people, and he do it for the people. So anybody who do it for the people, I want to be affiliated with them, because that's who I do it for. I do it for you all. I do it for the culture. I don't do it for nothing else. So I'm going to leave that in the description. Also, in 2 weeks, May 17th in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, I'm doing my Boss Maker Conference. And then when I tell you I got everybody showing up, there's going to be so many 6, 7, and 8-figure earners in the building. It's about to be a movie. We got VIP tickets. We got general admission tickets. The VIP is next level. The VIP right now is a 2-day event. We might make it a 3-day event. We're going to do a meet and greet mixer. Drinks on us, everything on us. You ain't got to take out nothing. You're going to meet all these 6, 7, and 8-figure earners. We got the carrier chick that specializes in medical carrier personal vehicles. We got the owner that does the HIPAA and bloodborne pathogen certification that I stress everybody who looking to become a medical carrier. I stress this to you all the time. Mr. Ken Arnold is going to be at my Boss Maker Conference for 2025. Second annual. I'm in talks right now with the medical carrier company, SDS and MDS. They're going to probably be there. I'm in talks. I wasn't even supposed to talk about this, but I'm in talks right now to have them pull up as well. I got my guy Terry that does the credit repair and funding. He's going to be there. I got social media experts that help you grow your brand and your social media. They're going to be there. I got camera guys that's going to be there. They're going to shoot the whole thing. The VIP people that pay for VIP, you all going to be able to get your headshots. We're going to do a group picture with all the speakers, everything. You all get the VIP section. You get the meet and greet mixer. You get everything. You get the gift bags. Look, I don't care what it costs. I'm making sure that you all are well accommodated for my second annual Boss Maker Conference. I can't wait to see you all there, man. I always tell y'all stick with us because we truly got you. You heard?